4, 5, 6. Last. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And round to the right. 2, 3, 4, 5. To the left. Left. 2, 3, 4, 5. To the right. Right. Keep going. Make it round. To the left. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last round. Right. Right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left. Left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To the front. Front. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Under the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My hips got confused at some point. 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Scoop. 5, 6, 7. Last one. Scoop. 2. Are you squeezing those abdominals? Yes. There we go. A twist. Twist. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Twist. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 last. 1, 2, 3. Yes, smaller again. Yes, smaller. Okay. Last one. Yes, no overload. Awesome. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feet together. Double. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Other hands. Back. 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 2 last. Right. 2, 3. Last one. 1, 2. How is it going? Come on. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you push? Come on, push those hips. Yes. And not very. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very nice. Come on, just push. Come on. And those hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To the front. Front. 2, 3, 4, 5. To the back. Back. 2, 3. To the front. Front. 2, 3. To the back. Back. 2, 3. How is it going, ladies? Back. Twist. 2, 3. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7. Smaller. 2 bigger. Okay. Yes. 4 more. 4. Go. 3. Go. 2. Go. 1. Other hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Down. Twist. 1, 2, 3. Back. 5, 6, 7. Front. 1, 2, 3. Back. 5, 6, 7. 2 last. 1, 2. Go. Last one. You don't know where to touch anymore. Stay there and hold it. Right, right, right. And move. Left, left, left. Go. Right, right, right. Reverse. Left, left, left. Go. Right, right, right. Reverse. Left, left, left. 2 more. Right, right. How is it going? Go. Left, left, left. This side. Right, right, right. This side. You're right. Okay? Alright, left foot, left foot. Face back to your right. Ready? Then your knees. Roll. 1, 2, 3. Reverse. 1, 2, 3. Reverse. 1, 2, 3. Reverse. 1, 2, 3. 2 more. I don't know about you, but my thighs are already feeling it. Last one. Go on, Lily. 1, 4, 5. Can you go bigger? Yes. 5, 6, 7. To the side. 9. Go. Left. Go. Right. Go. Left. Go. Right. Go. Left. Go. Right. Go. Left. Go. Right. Go. Actually, you're very comfortable if you're doing it. Go. Yeah, in here. Right. Go. Left. 4 more. 4. Go. 3. Go. 2. Go. 1. And relax. So everybody inhale up. Exhale down. Okay. So now here. 3 sets. Yes. Karahu, rolling the hips. Roll, 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 roll. Over here. Open. Roll, roll, roll. Up, down, up, down. Tipping it down, rolling down, rolling down, rolling down. Rolling up, rolling up. 3 sets. That's it. Okay, let's do it. Everybody warm up your knees first. Go down to the ground. Yes, last time working calves. Last round. Down to the ground. Maybe it's timing. Okay, ready? Good one, good one. Alright, let's do this. Woo! Go super ladies. You can do it. Hold it. 1, 1, 2, 3, go. 2, 3. Yes, 1. Your hands. Yes. Can you all frame your hands? Yes. 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. The other side. Go. Go. Hey, why is somebody here? Go, go, go. Go for this. Yes. 4, 3, 2. Hey. 2, 3, 4, 5. Up, 2, down. Up, 2, down. Up, 2, down. Up, 2. Keep going. Up, 2, down. Up, 2, down. And up, first. Up, 2, go. Up, 2, down. Up, 2, vertical. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse, the other side. From 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Relax. Last round, we're gonna go down. Okay? We go down and we do our best. Okay. Let's go. Let's do this and this. Ready? And we roll. And we go down. And we go up. Ready? 2 more times. Down, down. 2, 3, up, up. 2, 3, down, down. 2, 3, up, up. 2. Last one, we stay down. Okay, ready? Down, down. 2, 3, 4. Stay. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Push up. 2, 3, 4. Relax. Go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Well done, super ladies. Very good. Everybody inhale up. Exhale down. And that's it. That goes a lot of up and downs today. And everybody one leg to the front and stay. Don't move. And switch side. How is everybody okay? Yes, you did great. And release from your back and stay there. Stay. Breathe. And release. Go to the side. And stretch. And last stretch when you go Everyone go have a sip. Nice. All right, have a sip of water. And everybody come back here. And grab those EEs. Everybody come grab one pair. Remember to clean them after class. Oops. Awesome. All right, let's go. Yes, grab your EEs. Oh, look at that bird. He's been here since this morning. There's a bird by the window since the seniors class. He's been there the whole time. I think he likes to watch you ladies dance. Okay, so let's get started for our dance. Ready? Ready? Okay, we are going to review the part 1. Yes? Okay, so let's do the hands. Go, you like, ah. All right, fasten your seatbelt and let's take our flight. So here I'm going like this, and then I'm going to open to the right. Yes, Isabel. And then switch. Can you start from here? Okay, you don't need to glue it to yourself, but you know, like really proper angle. Some of you are starting here. Start from the side and then go to the left. Open. Hop. We shout. Yee, yee, yee. That was a shy shout. And then from there we start to dance, which is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Da 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4. Da 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 da. Say it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Da 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4. Da 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Can you throw your E's? 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. Yes or no? Thank you, Amy. All right, everyone. Last round. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay! 1, 2, 3, 4. Da 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4. Da 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4. Da 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4. Da 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's it. That's very, very simple. Yes, it is. Okay, so let's go, ladies, with your steps. So I'm here, and I go right, 2, 3, 4. Left, 2, 3, 4. Open, 2, 3, 4. Yay! Yeah, and stop yourself here. Okay, from there. 1, 2, 3, parati. Da 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 da. 1, 2, 3, parati. Da 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 da. 1, 2, 3, parati. Da 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 da. 1, 2, 3, parati. Da 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stay. Both. Yes or no? Okay. The steps, ladies. Right, right, right. Left, left, left. Yes? Okay? Yeah, we got this, ladies. Alright, so let's go. We're going to try with the music. I'm going to film myself closer so you ladies can see there in my camera. Okay? Yeah? Alright, so can you push a bit more to this side? Yes, over here. Alright, let's go, super ladies. Position. Can we do this 3 times? Hello, enthusiasm. Okay, let's do it. Position. Wait for me to run because it's going to start quite right away. Ready? And go. Stand! Let's do this. How to say sad? It's a sad hee-hee, yeah? Let's go.